Another tool, that is MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is an enterprise business intelligence application software vendor. Its flagship platform, it contains multiple features designed to help the enterprises make data-driven decisions and optimize the business processes. So again, it is helping you in analyzing your data. It will help your enterprise to make data-driven decisions. We cannot always go by instinct or go by our gut feeling and take decisions for the company. We have to do this by doing a proper analysis of the data. So this MicroStrategy, it will help you make data driven decisions and certainly will help you in optimizing your business processes. MicroStrategy architecture, it can be deployed on premises with clouds or the Linux server, or as a service in the Amazon Web Service or the Microsoft Azure clouds. So this is another important thing about MicroStrategy, that the architecture of MicroStrategy. Obviously, this is our business intelligence tool, so it has to be deployed somehow into your enterprise so that you can utilize this tool. So this deployment of MicroStrategy, it can be done on premises with Windows or the Linux server that you have, or as a service it can be done in the Amazon Web Services or the Microsoft Azure clouds. So the client interfaces, it enables the users to access the MicroStrategy applications and the services over the web, Windows, Mac and the mobile devices. In addition to its suite of development and the administrative tools, MicroStrategy, it provides a software developer kit, that is called SDK in short, to customize an application and integrate it with other application. So MicroStrategy basically, the main thing about MicroStrategy is its deployment. It can be deployed onto your local server and it can be also deployed onto the clouds which are being provided to you by the Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services. Another thing is it provides you with a software development kit, and with the help of which you can customize your application and you can also integrate this MicroStrategy with other applications. So MicroStrategy, it is an enterprise business intelligence tool that you can utilize for the purpose of analytics of your data. The main benefits of MicroStrategy are helping the business develop business intelligence application for the internal and the external analysis of their operation. Complex data, it is packaged into simple and manageable chunks for the key personnel to make better decisions. Since we have abundance of data for any organization nowadays, so we have to divide it into proper chunks so that it can be easily managed and it can be easily analyzed by any person of the organization. So that is what can be done with the help of MicroStrategy. The software it created can be used in the cloud or deployed in the data center. Furthermore, MicroStrategy, it allows its business clients to develop the mobile apps for the same purpose. These factors, they make the solution a comprehensive suite. So these are the main benefits of MicroStrategy. It allows its business clients to develop the mobile apps for the same purpose. That is the reason why we can say it is a whole solution for all your needs. So the main advantage of it is that it will help you analyze your data and will help you in making better decisions for your company. Secondly, it can be deployed on cloud or in the data center according to your requirement. Thirdly, it will allow the business clients to develop the mobile apps for the same purpose. So this is another important advantage which may influence you for using this MicroStrategy. Talking about the MicroStrategy Cloud, it's web-based solution. It integrates the MicroStrategy with other third-party services, hardware and software. This eliminates the physical installation, adoption and the maintenance cost. So now businesses they can enjoy the use of this powerful business intelligence software without overhauling their whole IT infrastructure. So this is one blessing kind of thing you can say, that you do not have to install the whole IT infrastructure for this particular solution. You can use the MicroStrategy Cloud. It's web-based solution which can be utilized for the analysis of your data. Now, next is K9. K9, the name it has come from Constant Information Miner. It is a free and open source data analytics, reporting and integration platform. It is free, that means anybody can utilize it. It is open source data analytics tool. Open source means the source code for this particular tool, it is open for all. Even you can develop certain module for this particular tool and you can add on onto this tool. Any person they can access the use the code behind this particular tool. So this is a free and open source data analytics, reporting and the integration platform. It can be used as a key component of their marketing technology stack by direct marketers to gain better understanding of the large amount of data involved with our direct marketing operation. Many business intelligence features they are built in this particular tool. There are numerous data visualization tool which can be used for creating target application, and with some configuration it can create an extremely powerful dashboard for analyzing the direct market data. So for the purpose of analysis of your data, for the purpose of creating certain interactive dashboard analyzing the market data, you can use this K9. Next important business intelligence tool in the market today is Dundas BI. It is an enterprise level business intelligence, data analytics and dashboard software for building and using interactive dashboards, reports, scoreboards and more. So basically, for after analyzing your data, after analyzing the complex and the abundant data that you have stored into your data stores, you have to display this data in a proper format. So this particular business intelligence solution, it will provide you with interactive dashboards in which you can visualize your data. They will provide you the proper reports and the scoreboards about your data. There are different views in Dundas BI that can all display data using the data visualization that are connected to the metric set. Our enterprise level self-service dashboards in Dundas BI, they let you monitor and measure the performance and the business metrics in real time. You can visualize and analyze the data from across the organization on your dashboard, helping you gain the valuable insight and derive the accurate decision. So from your entire organization, the data of your entire organization, you can easily view it, you can easily analyze it with the help of your dashboard. So this will help our people who are sitting at the top level management people, our executive, our experience officer. They will help them gain the valuable insight and to take the accurate decisions for the enterprise. Another software in the market today is the TIPCO Spotfire. This is again another business intelligence tool that can be utilized by any organization. TIPCO Spotfire. It is an artificial intelligence based analytics platform. Before being acquired by TIPCO in 2007, Spotfire was a business intelligence company based in Somerville, Massachusetts. Spotfire, it allows users to combine the data in single analysis and to get a holistic view of the same with an interactive visualization. Spotfire software. It makes businesses smart. It delivers the AI driven analytics and makes it easier to plot the interactive data on the maps. The platform, it helps businesses transform their data into powerful insight with ease and in less time. It speeds up the data analysis across an organization for faster, confident, and much accurate decision making. So, obviously, for making the decision, you have to have the data in the organization. You have to analyze that data into your organization. So, TIPCO Spotfire, it can be another choice for the same. This is again the same way an artificial intelligence based analytic platform that you can utilize to visualize your data, to uh, interact with your data in the visual form, to plot the interactive data on the maps so that you can create powerful insights about your data, which will further help you in taking accurate decisions for your organization. Talking about the advantages of Spotfire, first of all, its ability to quickly identify the outlier in the data sets, aggregating the data and presenting them in the dynamic chart, visually identify the clusters within the data set. So if we have certain data into the cluster, how does this clustering gets done? Suppose you're watching some series on the Netflix, so there are different cluster. The comic movies, they are placed at in a different cluster. Similarly, the thriller movie, they are placed into different clusters. So that is why how we organize our data. So if a person he is interested in the thriller movies, so for him the recommendation about the movies will be given from the uh, thriller cluster. So this particular tool Spotfire, it will help you in visually identifying the clusters within the data set. So that is why these clusters, they can be easily analyzed and they can be further used for providing the choices to the customer. It is pretty easy to get started with the new user when you are using this Spotfire, providing the interactive customized report and the dashboard that we have been seeing in almost all our applications, that they all provide you with interactive customized reports and the dashboard to visualize your data. Handling the multiple sources of data, again the very same thing, that we have different sources from which the data can be accessed. So it will help you handle the multiple sources of data. It can be paired with the cloud version, which allows user to access the library from any place within an internet connection. So today, almost all the business intelligence tools which are coming up in the market, they are also providing you with the cloud-based services for the same. We do not have to install all the infrastructure for this particular or for any particular tool in the market nowadays. We can use the cloud version of it, which will help you to access the data from the remote location. You do not have to worry about your systems, about your organization's resources. Your data, it can be placed on the cloud and can be easily accessed from there. So these are few of the advantages of using the Spotfire. We can definitely identify the outliers in the data set. Outliers means the data which do not lie into our data set. That means is a person who is liking the thriller movies. So the comedy movies, the romantic movies, these are all going to be outliers for him. So this particular tool, it has the ability to identify these outliers in the data set. It will help you to basically present your data in the form of dynamic chart. It will help you identify the clusters and to get started with the new user, providing him the customized reports and the dashboards. And obviously, the data from multiple sources can be handled with the help of Spotfire, and it provides you with the cloud versions of your data.